lahat. With all humility, I accept this award for business management. And I feel awkward to have been singled out. I think there are many of you who should be awarded because you're equally or more deserving than me. The only difference between you and me is that I was humble enough, Clarita said, crazy enough to submit to the search process. I was crazy enough to consent to be nominated by our class, kinulit, hounded by our alumni class president to respond to the questions in the nomination form, pestered to dig details of my past. Ang hirap mag-alungkay ng nakaraan. Submit documentary proofs. Lahat ng awards, lahat ng transcript, pinapag-submit kami. And not only that, meet deadlines. Kaya kung kami narito, nagtyaga po kami, pumayag kami. Pero kung kayo rin, palagi ko kayo rin nandito. At pagtapos nun, hindi lang yun ha. It was this assiduous compliance with form and hurdling the claims verification process by the search committee. Tinawagan lahat ng mga isinulat namin doon. Kung totoo nga nag-graduate ka ng UP, ng Ateneo, nagtrabaho ka nga sa Colgate, etc. etc. So doon din. Nung nakalusot kami doon lang we were assured that we will be scrutinized further by the Board of Judges. So, nakita ninyo, tiyaga lang po eh. Wala namang special dito sa amin. Basta masipag lang. Kaya nga si Gerald Poisero sa maraming kadarmihan ng trabaho, hindi nagawa. Pero kung naisabit yun, palagay ko naman, awarded din siya. Hindi lang yun, I used to advantage. Narito na rin lang, pineste na rin lang at sinabing mag-submit ka. So I used to advantage my being a marketing man. Anticipating how readers would react to written messages, I made sure that I use action words like transform, efficiently serve, revamp, lay the groundwork, consumerize, introduce, initiate, evacuate, conceptualize. Paano ka hindi mahuhuli dyan? Pagkatapos, deliver short, separate ideas in one sentence. My 46 years after Magsaysay High School is an advantage. I have more years of experience than most alumni. Only 3 batches are older than me. That principle made me string together 46, one for every year since 1963, different types of experiences and varying accomplishments to keep the readers and the judges interested. So alam mga ko, mas matanda ako eh. Kaya nakalamang kaming mga 1963 graduates. Yun ang sekreto nun. Tapos, yun nga, yung 46 items na binilisan ko na lang. Educational attainment, UP, MBM, Ateneo, UP, doctorate na hindi naman natapos. Highlight global education, nag-aaral na short courses, parang si Miriam, Senator Miriam, nag-aral sa Harvard daw siya, pero seminar lang yon. Ako rin, nag-seminar lang sa Singapore, sa New York, London at Geneva, pero magandang tunog, di ba? Tapos, I enumerated the industries I serve. Cosmetics and personal care sa Colgate, fertilizer and agricultural chemicals, planters, veterinary drugs, Pfizer, airlines, PAL, nag-construction, nag-insurance, nag-consultancy, nag-hydroponics, nag-hospital, but with management as a common thread. So, nakukuha sa dami. Tapos, name dropping. Name dropping. Sino ang mga nag-award sa akin? Rotary Foundation, Ayata. So, mabibigat na pangalan. Uli na yan. Tapos ito pa, no? Binanggit ko sa aking submission. Mention in a by the way fashion, unusual roles. Inilagay ko sa aking nomination, sa aking form that I was cited, I was awarded for being judge of Miss Young International Beauty Contest. Imagine hindi Miss International, Miss Young International Beauty Contest in 1981. Many men would have loved to have this role. I earned that role simply because I provided the 70 daisies. Daisy says 16-year-old girls from 70 countries free tickets to Manila. Kaya ginawa akong judge. So inilagay ko yon, judge to ng Miss Young International. Tapos, mabigat yung for community and social development, 40%. Mabigat yun saan ako maghahagilap nito? So, binanggit ko na. Tinuyo ko yung Parañaque Cleft Lip and Palate Center nung nasa Rotary ako. Nagtayo rin ako ng kurso para sa mga inmates ng Bilibid Prison sa Muntinlupa, kasama ng Perpetual Help of Rizal nung nasa Rotary Club of Las Piñas kami. Tinuruan ko dahil ako'y nasa PAL, may lalapit sa akin at magpapagkailangang paggamot sa Amerika yung mga anak na may congenital defects, madali akong nag-i-issue ng ticket. So, nakakatulong din. At sa Colgate, I provided programs to teach school children the correct way of brushing their teeth. Tapos, nung ako'y presidente ng Rotary Club of Las Piñas, naghagilap ako ng mga libro sa Amerika at isinip namin from San Diego in a Navy ship to Subic at distribute sa lahat ng elementary school sa Luzon. At tapos, inilagay ko rin sa aking nomination form na nung in-evacuate yung mga Pilipino nung Tiananmen from Beijing at nung nagkagyera sa Kuwait, ako rin ang namahalan nung sa evacuation nila. Kaya, tapos, finally, to assure top-of-mind recall in the judge's mind, I ended my nomination form in a way that will lead the judges to ask, who was that nominee who was a marathon swimmer and who claimed to have trekked up near Mount Everest? So yun ang panghuli ko. At least, sino ba yung nagsabing umabot siya doon? So with a presentation like this, even when the substance is ordinary, lamang na ako. Di ba? Kaya ganun yung wala akong special sa amin. Magaling lang ang presentasyon. Fellow alumni, I believe you will agree with me that when I assert that the foundation we got from our secondary education at Ramon Magsaysay prepared us to face life's challenges. I thank our teachers for their perseverance in introducing us to the arts, letters, numbers, sciences, and vocations. I thank our classmates and schoolmates for lessons in relationships, the joy of lasting friendships. I thank God for the longevity and the vigor to be here tonight, for the talents He endowed me with, aware that when I eventually face Him, I could receive His mercy in case my use of these talents to help the least of my brethren is judged to still be not enough. I thank my parents, may they rest in peace, for everything I was, I am, and I will be. I thank my siblings who are all graduates of Magsaysay High School, Celia, class 65, Nilo, class 69, Lito, class 71, and Ellen, class 72. They're all here. I thank you, my in-laws and their families, for their love and support. And last and most importantly, I thank my wife, Olive, our children and their families, for their love, support, and understanding and sacrifice in this journey called life. If I am the vessel, Olive is my moral compass. She is my anchor that ensures my mooring is firmly embedded in the seabed that is our Father's divine will. As they say in Ateneo ad Maiorem Dei Gloriam, to God be the glory. God bless us all. Thank you.
Another round of applause for Mr. Rene Ocampo.
I think by next year there will be more applications.